So in the dream, the head pujari, Jagannath appeared and spoke. He said, "Listen, my devotee Raghu made a flower garland with so much love and devotion, but the pujari denied it, did not accept it. Now my devotee has been deprived of his service, and he's lying in his own house, just holding that garland in front of him, and crying constantly. He refuses to eat anything. So how can I accept any garland from all of you pujaris and sleep peacefully until my devotee's desire to serve me has been fulfilled?" Well, this is a Bhava Grahi Janardhan. The Janardhan Sri Krishna, he accepts the Grahi, the essence of our Bhav. There may be some flaw in the execution of the seva, some minor discrepancy, but what is the Bhav? What is the mood of love? What is the mood of sincere desire to please? The love backing our action. This is what's most important. It's not what you do that counts. It's how you do it. And how you do it means what are your feelings? And not really what you do, is what you feel behind it, or what are your feelings behind it. So immediately Pujari woke up from that dream and he told everything to the other pujaris, and they all went to Raghu and explained their offense and asked him to please give this garland to the Lord. Raghu was very happy to hear that the Lord is so merciful that he's personally waiting to accept this garland. Raghu was very ecstatic. Now this is another story that Lord Jagannath cares for his sick devotees. One time this same devotee Raghudas was suffering from a serious disease. He couldn't even get up from bed, and he was passing stool in his bed, and it was smelling very bad. But every day one small boy was coming to serve him. He would clean his body, Raghu's body, put chandan on his forehead, and offer him nice scented things to purify the room. When Raghu came to his external senses, he found that the boy was actually Lord Jagannath himself. And then Raghu said, "Jagannath, what are you doing? By doing this lowly service to me, you are making me an offender. I am becoming more sinful by receiving service from you. Oh my Lord, you are so merciful. You are the Lord of the universe, Jagannath. You can do anything and everything you want. You could have easily cured my disease in one moment. But instead of curing me, you are every day doing this lowly service for me." Then Jagannath replied, "Yes, I could easily have cured you, but I want you to be free from all your prabdha karma, so that you can come back to my abode at the end of life. Also, you should know that as my devotees derive pleasure by serving me, I derive pleasure by serving them. I always desire to serve you. There is no difference between me and my devotee." In this way, Lord Jagannath and Raghu had a very intimate relationship. So this is love. Love means service to one another. So it's not love is not a one-sided program. It's not that we just we serve the Lord, we serve the Lord, we serve the Lord, we love the Lord, we love the Lord, and He doesn't serve us and love us. We don't calculate. We don't say, "Well, I'll scratch your back, Jagannath, if you scratch mine." This is not love. This is business. Business deal. Like marriage is something like a business arrangement in a lot of ways. So-called emotional business arrangement. But in this prem, Bhagavan prem, one simply he tries to please the Lord and serve the Lord without any calculation or any reservation. Well, what about me? Or what's in it? What's in it for me? What do I get? What's the kickback? What's the commission? We don't approach the Lord as commission agents. Well, I have to get something. I need something in return. If you don't give me something, then forget it. I don't give you anything. Well, this is not really love. So this anecdote shows that the Lord is so compassionate that He's personally coming not only to take care of the devotee, but to remove all of his residual karma or prabdha karma, which is fructifying and causing any type of suffering. And once the prabdha karma is eliminated, then one can have a clean slate and be purified enough and eligible enough to return or go to the spiritual world.